Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today I'll be sharing a Walgreens deal scenario that you can do for the week of August 18th through August 24th. Check your accounts to see if you received any booster coupons. I received this one for spend $25 and get back $7 in Walgreens cash. So this week, these Gain laundry items are on sale for $9.99, and when you buy two, you'll get a $4 register reward. So we are grabbing one Gain liquid and one Gain flings. The subtotal for both comes up to $19.98, minus the $6 in digital coupons. Total comes down to $13.98, but you're gonna get back that $4 register reward, making these $9.98. But remember, we are using that booster coupon, so we are grabbing a few more items to make this deal so much better. Next, go over to the oral care aisle, because this week Select Crest and Oral-B are on sale for as low as $3 each. And when you buy four, you'll get a $6 register reward. Plus, on Sunday morning, we received this very generous $6 off of 4 digital coupon. So grab 4 Crest or 4 Oral-B. The total for those 4 items will come up to $12 minus the $6 digital coupon. The total will come down to $6, but you're gonna get back that $6 register reward, making 4 of these completely free. So this is today's small Walgreens haul. Subtotal for these items came up to $31.98, minus $12 in digital coupons. The total I paid was $19.98, but I got back a total of $17 in Walgreens cash and register rewards. Plus, this transaction qualified for my second trip to complete this bonus to receive an extra $5 in Walgreens cash. So I got a total of $22 in Walgreens cash and register rewards, which made this simple transaction a $2.02 moneymaker. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money-saving content. God bless.